I got a MacBook Air because, of course, when you traveled, you want it as light as possible.
Hmm.
But for the work that we're doing with Descript, would the MacBook Pro have been better to make it the experience any better?
So I had a MacBook Air for the last 4 years, and I just upgraded to a MacBook Pro. And for Descript, it's not that big of a deal.
Okay.
So no, you're totally fine with the MacBook Air. And is
And
it the
then,
newest one, M5?
yeah, it is.
Yeah,
But I think I only have like, I think 16 RAM.
yeah,
And I
yeah.
didn't know if I should exchange, I still can exchange it like for 10 more days. So I wasn't sure if I should get more RAM. Do you have thoughts on that?
Do you ever run anything else alongside of Descript? Like other than a browser? Do you have like anything big? I don't think you probably do, but like photo
Just like,
editing software or
no, just like YouTube
yeah,
for
so
Descript,
I
basically.
the MacBook Air is totally fine for that.
Oh, but I do have my WordPress website.
That too isn't that big
Okay.
of a deal if it's in the browser. Where you would want more RAM is if you have a lot of apps running at once, and especially heavy apps. Like video editing is a heavy app, photo editing, AI
Like
stuff.
when you say video editing, do you mean Descript or do you mean like
Well,
CapCut or
yes, but also Descript is a little bit lighter than normal because it's internet based.
okay.
So most other video editing tools happen on your computer, but Descript happens in the internet. That's why it doesn't need a powerful computer.
Okay. I was
So
considering maybe like when we do travel, if I wanted to do editing like on the plane, trying CapCut. Have you ever tried that?
yeah, yeah, I used CapCut. It's been a couple of years, but yeah, it's great. It's a great
Um,
tool.
it's a kind of a go around for like when I can't use Descript, like,
Yeah.
for whatever reason. So does that use a lot of memory or would I be good with my 16?
Yeah, I think because I used to run it on my MacBook Air that had 8 gigs and it was fine
Okay.
there. If you're doing a lot of it, like yeah, you would eventually probably want to upgrade. If you're just doing occasional like airplane and that's all you're doing, one it's the only app you have open, you're not gonna notice anything more
Okay.
powerful probably. If you want to be more future proof, then yeah, like probably 32 gig or 64 gig.
Okay.
But I think for your purposes, you're probably fine. And what did you have before? How many
8.
gigs? Okay, so yeah, it's already gonna be way more powerful than that. And so if you never had problems with opening multiple apps and stuff, then you're gonna be fine.
Thank you. Am I understanding correctly that if I had a higher amount of RAM, that my videos would export faster?
No, RAM isn't
Oh,
the speed.
okay.
RAM is like how much your computer can do at once, is the
Okay.
easiest way to explain it. Like being able to
Multitasking.
run, yeah, like multitask with a lot of tools at once. So overall, I think your MacBook Air is going to be solid, but if you really want to future-proof yourself, then you could bounce to the next size or two up. If you enjoyed this, if you got value from it, this is an actual question from one of the live group coaching calls that I do for Descript Made Easy. It's my program where I have live group coaching 3 times per week on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday mornings. I've done over 250 of these sessions over the last 18 months. I've answered thousands of questions like the one you just watched. So if you're interested in joining, check the link in the description below.